Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it with your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Today, everything, the prices are going up. Including tires, prices have increased exorbitantly. Today, I am talking to you how to double your tires life. What are the tips to be taken in your car? Number one, when you are stopped at a signal and when the signal is green, you accelerate very much. So tire rotates and there's a burning smell coming, and that is the time where the tire gets worn very fast. Same way, when you're driving on high speed and you put the brakes, sudden brakes, you get tire marks on the road. That means the tire is getting worn very fast. So these are all things we should not do. So your life increases if you don't do this. Same way, make sure you check the tire pressure very regularly. Whenever you go to petrol bunk to pour petrol, make sure you check the tire pressure. So the important thing is, if the tire pressure is good and perfect for the tires, whatever the company gives the norm, the wear and tear is less. Same way, when you're wheel alignment, when you're doing the wheel alignment of the car, make sure it is done very frequently, at least twice in 3 months, in a 3 months time. So where wheel alignment is done. Same way, wheel balancing. Wheel balancing is done for the wheels, but it helps you not the tires to burn to the sides, the inner side or outer side. So these are all the measures and precautions to be taken in a tire to see that your life of the tire is doubled. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.